Imagine Canada shutting down its pipelines to the US, a drastic move that would send shockwaves through the energy sector and beyond. This action would effectively cut off over half of America's crude oil supply, a supply that is crucial for keeping the country running smoothly. With Trump's new tariffs sparking outrage across various sectors, the situation is already tense. This shocking retaliation from Canada could plunge both nations into chaos, affecting not just the economy but also the daily lives of millions. Canada supplies over 50% of U.S. oil imports, making it America's largest energy partner and a critical player in the energy market. This partnership has been mutually beneficial for decades, but now it's under threat. Trump's steep tariffs on Canadian steel, aluminum, and lumber have escalated tensions to a boiling point, and now there's serious talk of a drastic move, cutting off energy exports to the U.S., a decision that could have far-reaching consequences. Cutting off Canadian oil would send U.S. fuel prices soaring, creating a ripple effect throughout the economy. Gas stations across the country could see prices jump overnight, leading to long lines and frustrated consumers. This sudden spike in fuel costs would hit American families hard, affecting their daily commutes and overall cost of living. Industries like transportation, manufacturing, and agriculture that rely on affordable energy would grind to a halt, causing billions in losses and disrupting supply chains. The economic impact would be devastating, with halted factory operations and empty transportation hubs becoming a common sight. The U.S. would have to turn to less reliable suppliers in the Middle East, Venezuela, or Russia, risking political instability and higher costs. This shift could lead to increased geopolitical tensions and a spike in global oil prices, further straining international relations. Experts predict that an energy cutoff could cost the U.S. economy up to $100 billion annually, a staggering figure that underscores the gravity of the situation. Canada's economy would also take a massive hit, with the energy sector being a significant part of its GDP. Energy exports to the U.S. are worth over $100 billion annually, and losing that market could mean job losses in Alberta's oil sands and across Canada's energy sector. The social impact would be equally severe, with protests and unrest likely to erupt as workers face unemployment and communities struggle to cope. While Canada could pivot to selling more oil to China or Europe, this is not a simple or quick solution. Building new pipelines or shipping infrastructure would take years, leaving the economy vulnerable in the meantime and requiring significant investment. During this transition period, the Canadian economy would face significant challenges, with empty oil fields and stalled projects becoming a common sight. Such a bold move could deepen tensions with the U.S., a key ally, and trigger backlash from Canadian businesses and politicians who rely on stable trade relations. The political ramifications could be severe, with debates in Parliament and among business leaders about the best course of action. An energy war between Canada and the U.S. could destabilize global oil markets, driving up prices worldwide and sparking inflation across major economies. This would have a cascading effect impacting not just North America but economies around the globe, leading to widespread financial instability. Countries like China and Russia could seize the opportunity to expand their influence in North America's energy sector, reshaping global power dynamics in their favor. This shift in power could have long-term implications, affecting everything from trade agreements to military alliances. This isn't just about trade or energy, it's about the future of North American relations and the balance of global power, a complex web of interests and alliances. Both nations stand to lose big, but will they back down before it's too late? The stakes have never been higher. What do you think? Should Canada cut off its energy supply, or is this too risky for both sides? The debate is heating up. The consequences of such a decision could be far-reaching and long-lasting, affecting not just the present but the future of both nations. Subscribe for more shocking updates on the stories shaping the world. Stay informed and stay ahead.